Yes, 99.6 Radio Podcast, Capital Podcast, but everywhere. Good afternoon. Yeah, bye. Evening, of course. How are you today? How is it going? Sahabat Marquez? Yes, everything, of course, everything is good. Yes. Welcome back. And back to the English discussion with me and Sam. And during for 1 hour, of course, we would like to accompany you, Sahabat Marquez, wherever you are, for 1 hour in this station. And as usually now, we have friends, yeah, of course, from, yeah, MC, and Richmond Medical Indonesia, but for now, we would like to invite them to introduce themselves one by one. But before we are going to talk about top is afternoon, first, I'm like, yes, of course, you are curious. Yes, let's go. How are you guys? Hi. Assalamualaikum. Yes, how are you guys? I'm fine. Good, fine, good, and it's yes. Yeah. Before we continue our discussion, uh, my name is Mustafa. I live in Riyadh, um, Pagadian, Aussie, and I my hobby is reading, reading everything. That's participant. Work in this meeting, I think is very good. That is your opinion about it, yeah? Yes, okay, yes, thank right. You. I'll be back to you. Okay, what about you, please? Introduce yourself. What is your name? Where do you live? What is your activity? What is your hobby? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, it's us. My name is Nasrullah bin As. I live in Perintah. Without your name is without the yeah. Okay, okay, got it, got it. I live in Pelita, Pelita Raya Street. Okay. Safely. Your activity? Yes. My activity daily past visit movement in street. Wow. So what is your role? Yeah, mostly MC participant. Even active participant. Okay. So how do you think about BEMS in Richmond is winning love Indonesians? Yeah, I think BEMS is very good. Yeah, good. Teacher or lecturer? Both of them, right? Teacher. Or not? So what is your role in BEMS? So how do you think about BEMS in Richmond? We give it a plus first. Yes, thank you. I'll be back to you. Yes. But before we are going to talking again, because we have a same plan. Yes, we have a same plan with Bemsi. If I say Bemsi, all of you say more fun, confident, more impact. Okay? Okay, ready. One, two, three. Bemsi, more fun, more confidence, more impact. Okay, once again. Bemsi, more fun, more confidence, more impact. Yay, give it a plus. Yes. Yeah. We would like to discuss about our topic for this afternoon. And our topic for this evening, sorry, this afternoon is inflation and deflation. Yes, and talking about these terms, this is related with economy discipline. Yeah, and I'm sure that all of you guys how to say familiar with these terms, inflation and deflation. Talking about inflation, it's something like the items it will be increase the price, and deflation is opposite. So let's be talking about both of them. What are they? How this appear, and how the comparison about those, right? Okay. I start from you. How do you think about our topic for this afternoon? Yeah.
Yes, this topic this afternoon is very good.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, make us to learn about economy,
Mm-hmm.
to uh, to give viewpoint of economy, how the economy our country is running,
Mm-hmm.
and the situation of uh, in the field, uh, about the community people. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, so there are many uh, actual phenomena
Yeah.
phenomenon that happen in the situation in the middle of our community.
Mm-hmm.
So this very good to discuss. So maybe can give input
Mm-hmm.
for the other
Mm-hmm.
to learn about economy and to study what happened in the field.
Uh, okay, so this is like very interesting to discuss about those topic, and but for a while you keep your statement, right? Okay, I will back to you. What about you? How do you think about this topic?
Yeah, right. Okay. Mm. About this topic this afternoon about inflation and deflation. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
inflation. I means about yeah. If you have money, 5,000 in 2024, I
Uh-huh.
think different in value. You have money in
Now.
5,000 in now. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
2026. Yeah, I think
Uh-huh.
different
Uh,
value. This is means inflation for
uh-huh.
me. In deflation, I
Mm,
think um, decrease value,
mm.
decrease value
For example.
currency.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, for example, yeah,
Uh-huh.
not power purchasing
Mm,
in market. Yeah, I
mm,
think this is apa, this simple definition for
mm.
deflation.
Okay, so but anyway, before we are going to ask you about the next question,
Mm.
how do you feel now? Uh, what is your reaction when I invite you to come here to present as a representative of active participant and live streaming like this? How do you feel?
Yeah, for me, my feel this first time for me, yeah,
First time in your life?
and in life
Really?
for me,
How do you think?
and
How do you feeling?
I feel yeah.
This
Um, I mean, uh, yeah, special moment yeah for me, yeah, because first time to live in and media. I mean,
And the most
and
important is this is a one of unforgettable moment in your life, right?
yeah, mm,
Okay.
golden moment,
Gold
maybe.
golden moment.
Yeah, because
Wow.
yeah, for me first time.
So how do you feel? Do you feel nervous or not, or so
Of
so?
course.
Of
Yeah,
course.
nervous. Then,
Okay, I'll be back to you. Thank you.
okay.
Okay, what about you? How do you think about our
Uh,
new home
oh,
here? Yes, how do you feel? Are you still nervous even you are often to broadcast and media as a guest star or speaker? How do you feel now? How do you think?
Right, I'm so nervous because it's the first time I came into Radio Almarkas.
Really? But
Yes.
you have basic. I always
oh,
invite you in our old house.
I never do the same again because it's long.
Hmm.
So
Long
I
time.
think I can say it's the first time I
Mhm.
do it again.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Like Pertamina.
But,
Mulai dari nol. So, how do you think about our topic for this afternoon?
uh, this topic about inflation and deflation, I
Mhm,
think especially for me, it's not
mhm,
my role and
mhm,
not my major. I think we can share about this topic.
mhm,
Uh, Other mayor have other perspective too about this topic.
mhm,
So I know about this topic is good for the economy
mhm.
and
Really? Which one is good for economy, inflation or deflation?
uh
Both them? One of them? Which one?
depend on the perspective. It
Depend.
depend on
But for example, which one?
uh example is some people have property
Mm-hmm.
and if inflation is if they get inflation
Mm-hmm.
he can they
Ah,
can sell their property
okay.
into the
And you have
value of money.
you get extra benefit when
Yes,
the inflation coming and
yes.
you have property, right?
I,
Okay. For example.
mm.
So how about deflation?
Our deflation is some of goods
Mhm,
and services is growing more slowly,
mhm, mhm,
uh, but people is hold to buy something or buy goods,
mhm,
and it is not good for government
mhm.
because the uh, people's holding their money to buy a product.
Yeah, maybe for the concrete one, like
Mm.
you have you bought car,
Mm.
but 5 years later the price is lower
Ah,
because it's like you know what I mean. That's why we call deflation
yeah,
one
inflation
of
is one
the
of the
concrete one.
concrete one.
Uh-huh. But sometimes this is like how to say merugikan. In other side merugikan. In other side, there is a benefit
Yes, yes.
for people who buy,
Mm.
but the people who sell is trouble.
Just
Because the value is decreased, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Yes, we are still here, of course, in Radio Almarkas in 99.6, Sahabat Almarkas. We move to the next question. Yes. Okay, my next question is for you.
Yeah.
Which one is the maybe you can give the example of inflation
yeah,
and inflation itself. What are they? Which one are they?
yeah. For me perspective, I think uh, for them, I think not good, yeah, because inflation and
Mm,
deflation
mm,
include unstable economic system
mm,
for a country. Yeah. Inflation not good and deflation not good. Why? Because
okay. So which one is good?
uh, for them, I think not good.
The good one is flat. The flat,
Uh,
the stable
yeah,
price, stable price.
stable price. I
Uh-uh.
think is good. Yeah,
Mhm.
inflation increase of
Well,
price.
for example, which one is the item always increase the price, and which
Yeah.
one the item is decreasing? Which one
Uh,
items?
yeah, for increase price. Yeah,
Mhm.
for me, for example, yeah, if uh, in in market
Mhm.
money circulation in market very high for
Mhm.
inflation,
Mhm.
and in this not good economic system for case, I mean, yeah,
Mhm.
for deflation, yeah, um decrease
Yeah, which
decrease
one?
price,
Which one is
yeah,
decrease?
yeah, which one decrease,
Which items?
uh yeah, for example, maybe in something you buy market, and not purchasing power in general public
Mhm.
to buy something,
Mhm.
maybe because yeah,
Maybe how to say in English hasil-hasil pertanian, maybe sometimes the price is falling down.
yeah, falling down,
Yeah, right.
and yeah,
Uh, for example, like uh, not rice, no, because rice is always get increase.
river,
Yes,
yeah,
like maybe chengke,
yeah,
clove, yeah, like clove,
coffee,
coffee,
mm,
vanilla.
mm,
Oh, are you sure? Oil always increase.
vegetable oil,
Vegetable,
yeah,
yeah, and etc. Something like that.
yeah,
Okay, so which one the item is always stable? Stable price.
stable price, which one, yeah,
Yes. Do you have any
yeah,
idea? Are you
yeah,
still
maybe
thinking
rice,
about it?
uh,
You thinking about it?
yeah,
You need the time to thinking about which one is the stable. If you need time, I skip and I will move
okay,
to the others.
yeah,
Okay,
because
thank you.
I don't have a
Okay, just thinking first. Okay, what about you, sir? Mister, which one, the concrete one, is decrease and increase items in our daily for the price?
Okay. For example, simple example that right now in the middle of the communication that
Mm-hmm.
uh, sometimes you get the
Mm-hmm.
uh, egg price,
Egg
egg
price.
price.
Egg is always increase or
S-
fluctuative or
Yes,
stable or decrease.
sometimes fluctuative,
Fluctuative.
fluctuative because uh, some moment
Mm-hmm.
make it rise
Mm-hmm.
cost,
Mm-hmm.
uh, rise money to buy.
Mm-hmm.
So, for example, you want to buy egg, maybe in the one moment you get only 40,000.
Mm-hmm.
Um, in the same in the next times you get it uh, a rise above 50,000.
Mm,
Uh, so that is the fluctuation of
yeah.
the egg
So which one
price.
is always increase and decrease?
Increase,
Yeah,
decrease.
the items, barang-barang yang mana yang selalu naik, 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 turun, 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 something like that. Which one?
Um,
In your
say,
observation.
um, apa ayam potong?
Ah,
Chicken.
chicken.
Yes.
How do you say ayam potong in English?
Yeah.
Let's say ayam in Bahasa first. Yeah, do not
So,
hesitate to mix your language
yeah.
when you stuck in English.
So
Ayam potong.
sometimes, yeah,
Uh,
sometimes the signal, if the situation is very neat, the good, so the
it's
price.
depend on demand and supply, right?
Yes, it is
Yeah.
connect very relation demand and supply.
Mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm,
if demand is very is rise,
mm-hmm,
the people very need,
mm-hmm.
so the the price is very uh, rise. And
Uh,
when the people stable, not very need the goods,
mhm.
that goods, I think the price is stable or even be lower price.
Okay, thank you. Keep your statement, guys. Okay, sahabat Markas, wherever you are, stay tuned. And of course, in Radio Markas 99.6, we will be back. Yeah. Yes, we are back, of course, in 99.6 Radio Almarcas, Howard Almarcas, wherever you are. Okay, I would like to check your spirit, guys. Please use this. Use your mic. Yes, one, two, three. Bemsi, more fun, more confidence, more impact. Yay, give a big applause. Yes, we're back to the topic. Yes, inflation and deflation. Okay, I will ask you because we already them. Now, the question is, which one? Because you already answered about the decrease and increase items. What about the fluctuative and the stable
Oh,
price items? Which one, in your perspective, in your observation, in our daily
fluctuative.
fluctuative and stable price about the
Example of
items?
the
Yes,
product. Example
yes,
of the product.
of course. But don't
Mm,
mention the brand.
oh,
Only the shape, the kind of product.
the kind of product.
Yeah, which one?
Uh, the fluctuative item like cigarette, maybe.
Cigarette is fluctuative, not
Yeah.
increase, always increase. I think cigarette is always
Oh
increase.
no, cigarette are uh, maybe increase in
Mhm,
some of brand
mhm,
because the cigarette is the kind of stock commodity maybe.
mhm.
And let me think.
What about the natural resources from the plants, like hasil-hasil bumi?
Mm, maybe coconuts.
Coconuts, it's stable, fluctuative, always increase or decrease.
Ah,
Which one?
fluctuative.
Fluctuative, because.
Because some of them I think
Mhm,
the price of coconut
mhm,
is increase,
mhm.
and
I
in
think
the
so.
other
Yeah,
side,
coconut is fluctuative. Sometimes increase, sometimes falling down, sometimes stable, sometimes yeah, something
if
like
you
that.
buy in the apa, just the oil, it's
Mm-hmm.
maybe fluctuative.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe in the some case if you just
So oil, you means like a margarine. The
yeah,
oil,
the margarine.
minyak goreng.
Yes, the margarine, like
Mm-hmm.
margarine, the olahan gitu ya.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Uh, s-
Make it closer
fluctuative.
your mic, please.
Hmm.
Yes. But which
What's
one is stable price?
stable
Yeah.
price? Ah,
Let, we'll let you
I think
thinking first. Which one? You know, sometimes in our around, there is
steel
items.
maybe steel.
Steel?
Steel.
Baja.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Are you sure? Baja is stable?
Uh,
Pipe, steel. What about mineral water? Mineral water
maybe
is stable. Yeah,
maybe
stable
stable.
price. Mineral water. Yeah, yeah. Never a pipe, a steel, mineral water.
Because it's the life.
What about the skincare? No,
No, it's skincare.
skincare is always
It's
increase.
always increase.
Okay.
Depend on
What about
the
electronic?
ingredients.
Electronic.
Electronic. It's always increase depend on the apa, the technology.
But in other case, there is competition. It's
Hmm.
the competition is thick. Of course,
Hmm.
the price is lower than before. What about it?
Also that make the technology have a
Mm-hmm.
in the some brand can decrease and
Mm-hmm.
some brand can increase.
So
It's fluctuative.
fluctuative.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, we move to the next question. You say now, um, for our country is good. Yeah, if there is inflation and deflation,
Unstable
unstable,
economic,
uh, 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 uh,
unstable economic
unstable economy.
situation.
Why do you say it like that?
Yeah, because in condition inflation,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, um, uh, currency, maybe any relation the currency
Mm-mm.
increase,
Mm-mm.
inflation, and yeah, not some about golden. I think
Mhm.
always stable and
Mhm.
always increase
Oh,
for currency,
Mhm.
always to low
Mhm.
more
Mhm.
years. Yeah, and I think for economy not good,
Mhm.
unstable for me, stable in my perspective, and deflation. Same about that. Yeah,
Mhm.
deflation very low, low circulation economic in
Mhm.
market. Yeah, deflation in stable. Yeah, it's okay for economic
Mm.
condition.
Okay, so how far currency
Mm.
affect with inflation and deflation?
how far?
Yeah, for in fact, I think um, not health. Yeah, in economic
Mm.
and if in this condition, I
Mhm.
think such as Ministry of Finance or
Mhm.
Bank Indonesia, how to control these cases
Yeah.
in market
Mhm.
and how to make stable condition,
Mhm.
inflation and deflation.
So always there is effect, yeah.
Yeah,
If
uh, Bank Indonesia
our
always.
currency is bergejolak,
Yeah.
to say bergejolak, fluctuative, something
Yeah.
like that. Okay, keep your statement. I'll back to you. Uh, how far the effect of currency? How far currency affect to inflation and deflation, especially in our rupiah right now?
Oh, I think the effect of currency
Mm-hmm.
uh it's so what berpengaruh
Mm-hmm.
uh
Effect.
it's
Yeah.
affect to our currency because is given a financial impact
Mm-hmm.
for our general prices in our country because uh let's say our cost living
Cost living. Mm.
example for
It's getting high.
it's getting high.
Uh-huh.
It's getting high, especially for households
Mm-hmm.
because some of their family have a fixed salary maybe.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's very effect for to our country, the
Mm-hmm.
currency. And one of the job I agree with
So if
Mr.
our
Ernest.
so if our currency down, automatically the inflation is getting appear or
Mm,
getting high. The items, all of items is getting high,
yeah,
right?
getting high, right?
Mm.
So the solution is Bank Central, let's say
Mm.
Bank Indonesia have to manage the policy. The
So
policy.
in other words,
Mm,
the opposite think that if our currency is strong, automatically it will be deflation,
it will be
and the
inflation,
price it will be cheap.
maybe.
Maybe. Oh, why you say maybe? But just now you say yes. If the currency is strong, of course is sorry. If the currency is falling down, the price is will of
Well,
course high.
high,
So the opposite, right?
the opposite,
And the opposite, if the currency is strong, of course the price is low.
low.
Yeah.
The general price is low.
Hmm.
The apa?
Yeah. So there is like
There
effect
is a like
in each
effect.
other. Yeah, tarik menarik, something like that. Okay, keep your statement. Thinking many ideas about our topic because our topic is lumayan. Yeah. So how do you think about the currency situation can affect to our inflation and deflation, especially in our economy, especially rupiah to Indonesia? Okay, please. Do you get the point?
Yeah.
Mm.
Uh, the currency is influenced by the situation, both economic and situation of community.
Mm-hmm.
Um, let's say right now there are many students uh, thrown down in the road to make a protest.
Ah,
So the security of our country is very not stable.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, it means that sometimes uh, security of the situation is influence the currency uh, because it influence the tanggapan apa respon of
Response.
the respon of the market.
Mm,
So uh, maybe for example, the people should save their money.
mhm.
So maybe they stop to buy. There is no something not need in every day.
Mhm.
Uh, so they just only buy the special needed.
Oh,
Yeah,
selected.
yeah,
Selective.
yeah, selective.
Okay.
Uh, they will selection
Mhm,
or whatever they must to be
mhm,
to buy. And in uh, another side, uh, for example,
mhm.
fuel, uh, world situation,
Sorry,
security
what
of
is your
the world
fuel?
situation.
Sebahan bakar.
Ah,
Yeah,
yes.
fuel,
Fuel.
fuel. So,
Yes.
Gas also.
so right now the situation of the world,
Mm.
let's say war,
Mhm.
between
What?
war,
Oh my God.
war,
Jangan sampai.
yes, war between US and Iran
Uh-huh.
can influence the currency of Indonesia
Mhm.
because so we are live in the one in the one world,
One Earth.
one on earth.
Wakanda.
So one it's hard, it's
Wakanda
can be
Konoha.
influenced.
Uh-huh.
I think like that.
Okay, thank you. So, back to you again. So, how we face inflation? Do you have maybe any tips? Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, you are like we are like economy expert.
ada economic special.
Enggak lah. Yeah. How we face inflation?
We face inflation.
Yes.
Ah,
Respect to yourself. How are you? But the question is how we.
how we?
Yeah. How we face inflation.
I think to face inflation is
Hemat. Which
you
one?
have to yes spending your
Mm-hmm.
spending your money in
Mhm.
the advantage
Mm-hmm.
needs
Yes.
maybe
Yes.
you don't have to
Just spend our money only for primer necessary.
unnecessary maybe.
Or the second and the third.
Is
The second and the third series.
depend on you depend on
Uh-huh.
you and you have to I think it's for the question is for government maybe.
The question is hard.
yes for me
Yeah.
uh
Maybe we start from the uh just start from the little
mm,
things that you
oh
can
oh
share to sahabat Amarkas.
I think you start to buy
Mm-hmm.
the Indonesian product,
Okay.
not the other country product.
Mm-hmm.
It's the step first.
Okay. Mm-hmm. And the second
And the
is
second is you have to learn about
mm-hmm.
the currency and what is the what make currency is decrease and increase,
Mm-hmm.
and it is the maybe it's the true solution for me.
Mm-hmm. Only that.
Only that.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so what about you? How we face um the inflation?
Yeah. For me, yeah. Yeah. Selective for yourself. Selective by something. Yeah. Maybe any apa primer needed and secondary
Mhm.
needed.
What about tertiary?
Yeah. I think yeah.
Because we have a three necessary, right? Primer, secondary, and
And
tertiary. Yes.
tertiary maybe something like you buy car, and I think
Mhm.
if unstable economic, yeah, maybe one day you can buy
Tertiary like
tertiary. Yeah.
holiday.
Yeah,
Holiday is tertiary.
include
Yes.
in
Yeah,
tertiary.
you don't need to mention car because it's car too
Holiday, fashion,
expensive. Yes.
style, I think tertiary
Okay.
needed. Yeah.
Okay, keep your statement. We will
Yeah.
be back. Yes, sahabat Almarkas, wherever you are, stay tuned. Of course, in 99.6 Radio Almarkas, we will be back in BBC Corner English Discussion. Yes, we are back in 99.6 Radio Almarkas, Sahabat Almarkas. I would like to check your spirit, guys. Be ready.
Really.
Yes. Yes, Bemsi.
More fun.
More confidence, more impact. Yeah, give it applause. Yes, we continue our discussion
Yeah.
about the question how we face the inflation on your perspective, your tip maybe.
Yeah. In my tips for share, yeah. Uh, I think you can selective use buy something,
Mm-hmm.
and you can uh, need it premier and
Mm-hmm.
secondary need. I think you can selective buy something
Mm-hmm.
for cost living for you tips in face inflation and deflation.
Only selective to spend our money, or we add our salary. Maybe we have a many uh, source of money like memperluas pendapatan, something like that. We have one more or two more source of money, something like that. Only just selective to buy something, only like that.
Yeah. Yeah. For me, yeah, just selective. You
Selective.
like something because
Because you don't have time. You spend your time in nine
yeah,
to five, maybe.
yeah,
Oh, my God.
for confused for me to
Yeah.
search another job to
Uh,
up in salary in
uh,
Fairmont, and yeah,
because the time, yeah.
yeah,
Not
because the
time.
time I
Mm.
think short to spend the time in my office.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So, what about you, Mister? How we face the inflation?
Okay. Um, if we want to face inflation, there are many steps that we can uh, do that. Uh, First, if you can plan in your uh, area,
Mm,
uh, I mean, if you have an area and you can plan vegetable,
mm.
for example, the simple one, vegetable,
No meat? No
uh,
meat, only vegetable?
uh, uh, not meat.
Uh,
Uh,
maybe vegetarian.
yes, you can manage your chicken and in your home. You uh, for example, you have five uh, chicken and you feeding it, and
Mhm,
it will give you an advantage. You can take it
mhm,
if you need. So
mhm,
for spending, it's the same. The other that we we have to selective to buy something spending. Uh, Priority the life needed. Priority the uh, primary
mhm.
primary need in the home, and then maybe uh, reduce our plan to go out for tertiary need.
Yeah, hold, yeah,
Yeah,
hold.
all
Uh-huh.
uh, as the other thing is you can make your money source to
Mm,
expand.
mm,
Uh, yes, expand your money source. Maybe right now you just work in one place,
okay.
so make a relation around you
Mhm,
that make maybe change, maybe potential to give you potential that earn money.
Ah, okay, thank you. I move to you again. So, what will be happen if our country getting deflation? Because we always talking about inflation, inflation, inflation.
Yeah.
What will be happen to our country if our country getting deflation?
Deflation, yeah, for
Yes,
country. Yeah.
because so far is inflation.
Yeah,
So what about deflation? What will be
deflation.
happen to
Yeah.
us?
In this condition, deflation, what, uh, low low demands. I
Mm-hmm.
think many product in market,
Yes.
and but in no buy
Daya
this
beli.
product. Yeah,
Daya beli.
purchasing power maybe.
Purchasing power.
Yeah,
Yes.
very low purchasing power to
If
uh,
if 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 deflation getting in Indonesia, purchasing power is low also.
yeah, purchasing
Ah,
power
so what about the effect?
inflation.
What about the effect if our purchasing power is low?
The effect, I think, many circulation, many in market
Mhm. Like
and product.
obstacle
Yeah, high.
terhambat.
Yeah, high
Mhm,
product and
mhm,
uh, yeah, for businessmen, I think infestation. How to say, um, economic circulation
It's not fast.
is not, yeah,
It's slow.
is slow.
Slow economic circulation.
Slow economic
And
circulation.
the effect to
And
us,
the effect
society.
to society, yeah, um the currency, I think, stable,
Mm.
but
But the
uh
living,
yeah,
how to say, um, status sosial or the kehidupan, it's not welfare.
yeah,
Really? It's not
really,
welfare?
yeah, of course,
Because it's like very slow.
yeah, very slow.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Okay, I got the point. Thank you. What about you, Mister? What will be happen if our country getting inflation?
Inflation.
Sorry, deflation.
Uh,
I mean, yeah,
yeah, deflation is the situation we can call this the signal of dangerous economic
economic,
dangerous
macro
economic.
and macro.
Yes,
Yeah,
macro and
yeah.
macro, because there is no moving, there is
Mhm,
no just uh, I think the economic circulation is very slow,
mhm, mhm,
so there is no challenge of the people to move to get the the best thing to get uh, just slow is
just slow.
yes make our people is uh, something as uh, stupid people.
Like make
Yeah,
lazy,
make less
make less hope,
less of
make
this.
there is no
Yes,
productivity.
yes, not productive.
Yes.
Yes, less,
Uh,
less of production activity.
okay. And deflation and inflation is not good if coming very long.
Mm,
Yeah.
mm.
Okay, so sometimes we need inflation, sometimes we need deflation, but not for the long time, not for the long time. Yeah. Okay, sometime only sometimes. Yeah, for a while only. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. This is dynamics of economy. Yeah, economy like human being. We sometimes confusing. Yeah, economy like human being confusing. Jadi ekonomi itu membingungkan seperti manusia. Sometimes their moods it's always changing, yeah, like human being, right? Yeah, moodnya berubah-berubah, like economy also. Sometimes you cannot good if you always how to say happy. You cannot good if you always sad. You cannot good if you always angry. You cannot good if you always um how to say silent. You cannot good if you always talkative. Yeah, yeah, economic like human being. But sometimes we need them.
Mm.
Need the situation, all of the situation. Sometimes we need talkative, sometimes we need silence, sometimes we need angry, sometimes we need passion, sometimes we need all, but for not long time. Okay, something like that. Ibaratnya something like that. That's why I call it confusing. Yeah. Okay. So what about you? What will be happen to our country if our country getting deflation?
Uh,
On your perspective,
I think deflation is occurs because of
your
more
mic,
product.
please make it close.
There's more product in the market
Uh-huh.
with the general low price,
Mhm,
price
mhm,
low, and it's make people hold their money to
mhm.
buy the product.
Mhm.
and I think it's impactful for financial stability
Mhm.
because product in the market is have a low price,
Mhm.
and people is waiting for uh the price
Mhm.
is rise up,
Mhm.
and it's
The giant brand cannot expand.
mm,
There is no manufacturers. There is no fast
very
economy
fast economy,
because everything is like purchasing power. Back
purchasing
to the
power,
purchasing power. Everything is like
low purchasing
slow.
power.
Yes, everything is slow, and that's why the economic circulation is also slow.
It's also
And our life is slow also.
low.
So if our life slow, what will be happen?
Oh,
Everything is mager.
you have to run.
You have to run. Yeah. Okay, my last question. But before you answer, but my last question, maybe guys, you can prepare yourself to give like unfamiliar words or idiom or final statement. But let's see, yeah, because we still have time. Our time is 4 minutes left. Okay, I start
Yes.
from you, Mister. What is your conclusion about our topic for this afternoon by evening? Start from you. What is your conclusion?
Yeah,
Inflation and inflation.
yeah. The conclusion is we have to be careful to face the situation
Mhm.
every times because uh, the economics is the like human
Mhm.
is unstable,
Yeah.
unstable. Sometimes inflation
Mhm.
happen, sometimes deflation, and yeah, sometimes stable.
Yeah.
So we have to make a kindness of ourselves, our family to face the economic situation.
Mhm.
So just be careful, not be uh I mean whatever you need, you buy whatever you want, you buy.
Mm.
Just buy you need,
Mhm.
not buy you want.
Mm.
That's
Okay, thank you. So, what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this afternoon by evening?
Yeah. For government, I think wah, handle about this problem,
Uh-huh.
and for general public, I think be careful for your consumption
Mhm.
or something for selective. You buy something uh, in this condition, economic instable. I maybe.
Mm. Okay, thank you. So, what about your conclusion about our topic for this afternoon by evening?
Oh, thank you. My conclusion is we need inflation and
Mm-hmm.
deflation because it's the part of economic financial. It's a part
Mm-hmm.
of economic financial. Uh, Maybe we can have boundaries
Mm-hmm.
to our uh to our financial
Yeah.
because maybe it's came to our life, so we can
Sorry, scam
can
can
come
come.
into our life, so we can
Okay.
ready
Come. Mm-hmm. Only
we
that.
can ready to face it. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe you have like last message or message for our listeners, sahabat Marcus. What is your message? Pesan. Free statement. Statement bebas. Please. Maybe one word,
Let's
one sentence.
please come and join Studio Markas.
Ah, thank you. But join first with Bemsi.
Oh, join this damn thing.
Okay, thank you.
You have to join
So,
this back.
yes. So, what about you? What is your message to sahabat Marcus?
Yeah. Message for sahabat Almarkas, Radio Almarkas, you can if you improve you speaking English, you can join BEMSI community, free for chats and practice
Oh, yeah.
speaking smart. I think.
Okay, thank you. So, what is your message to sahabat Marcus?
for Almarkas listener. So Bensi is very good uh, community
Mm-hmm.
to improve our English.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to improve your English, come into Bensi and join.
Okay, thank you, giving applause. Thank you, Kak Mustafa, Mr. Mustafa for coming. Thank you, Nas for coming. Thank you, Abdal for coming. Ya, sahabat Amarkas wherever you are, that's all our program English discussion ya. BMC Corner English Discussion ya, Bridge English Meeting Club of course Indonesia. And always watch and listen in 99.6 frequency modulation and also in YouTube channel sahabat Almarkas ya, Radio Almarkas wherever you are. That's all our conversation for today. And don't forget always watching ya every Friday at 4 until 5 p.m. That's all. See you for the next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening.